Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my new English video. Today I want to tell you about dreams. Please listen carefully and enjoy this video. Let's get started. So, what is a dream? Let me briefly explain. Basically, a dream is a vivid sequence of thoughts and emotions that our subconscious mind creates when we are asleep. Sometimes they are pleasant, but occasionally they can be quite terrifying. And that is what a dream actually is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.